Hi there. Now that summer's arrived, there are plenty of jobs that you need to be getting on with, and even though it's warm, there's going to be some chance of some really hefty showers this week with thunderstorms and lightning at times, and that means that you can get on with the weeding, but then you'll have the soil being settled back down and plants having plenty of moisture to power their growth. So really, it's ideal growing conditions. So what am I going to be getting on with this week? Well, I'm going to be sowing some beetroot. There are lots of beetroot on the market, but the one I really like is the flat-rooted Egyptian type. This can be pulled early as young baby beets, or it can be left as a main crop till around about August time, and then pull up the large roots to use in pickles. So I'm simply going to take out a row using a cane and a straight line, then water that row to make sure that it's thoroughly saturated, and then sow some seeds along it, cover the seeds over, and then simply water again, and that should germinate in around 7 to 10 days time. And with all this heat around, it's really important that you ventilate your greenhouse properly. Mine's got a roof vent and then louvered vents at the back, but I also leave the door open when it's really warm. And if it's going to be a cool night and temperatures can easily get down to 5 degrees under clear skies, then make sure you close them in the evening as well. And the last job this week is to pot up some dahlia plants. I sowed these from seed some months ago, then I pricked the seedlings out and they've really grown well. The good thing about dahlias is they really don't hang about and grow into big plants quite quickly. So these little babies are ready to be potted up into some multi-purpose compost. It could be peat or peat alternative compost, and I'm going to pot them into these small terracotta pots because I find that they grow really well. It encourages the plant roots to go out to the edges of the pots and fill those pots really quickly. And in about 5 or 6 weeks time, these will be nice big plants that I can pot up again or plant out into the garden. Make sure after you've potted them up that you water them well so that they get off to a really cracking start. So there's the roundup of things that I'm going to be doing in my garden this week. I'm sure there's plenty more that you could be getting on with in your garden, even if it's just sitting out and enjoying the sunshine. But if you want some more reminders what to do in your garden, then don't forget to visit my website, davidhurrian.com. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. In the meantime, happy gardening.